Hello! In this video we are going to see how to write the script of a manga. The objective of writing the script for your manga is first to check that your content fits in the desired number of pages and that it flows well. That is to say that your content is neither too short nor too long. Secondly, the objective will be to make sure that your story properly catches the attention of the readers. To control the flow of the story, we will start from the story outline, then write a page-by-page outline, and finally detail the content. Here is the outline I will take as an example. The hero playing and falling in a cave following a rabbit, then getting lost while looking for an exit. Hungry, he will be finding a glowing tree, and after eating a seed from that tree, he will see creatures. As a reminder, I took each step in the outline to be around 4 pages. You will have to adapt this to your story outline. Then be aware also that the very first page of a manga or manga chapter is a left page. This point is really important if you intend to publish your manga on paper or as an ebook. Now, if I detail my outline for each page, I will have: on the first page, the boy will be playing with a sword in the forest and be facing a rabbit. On the second page, the rabbit will be running away and the boy will follow him. Then the rabbit will be disappearing by entering a hole between 3 roots. And on the fourth page, the boy will be entering the hole and the ground collapses below him. Then, for the second line of my outline, I will have: first, the boy finding himself in a dark cave, spitting dirt. Then the young boy trying to go back to the surface but failing at it. Then on the third page, the boy will explore the tunnel, get lost and hungry. And crying and frightened, the boy finally seeing light and discovering a glowing tree. And for the third line of the outline, we will have: first, the boy approaching the tree and seeing fruits hanging in it. Then the boy finally ending up eating one of those fruits. As a third step, the fruit will make him feel dizzy and falling to the floor with the stomach aching. And finally, in some kind of fever, the boy will start to see creatures. Now that we know what the content will be for each page, we will go into the details. I would advise, though, to keep some room for artistic expression. Just focus on important elements and let the remaining part to the artist. You will, for instance, present the settings, location, weather, or important items in the scene, the characters with their emotions and actions, and finally dialogue, thoughts, and narrations. Here are 2 ways you can write this part, either like a light novel with well-built sentences and dialogues, or as a screenplay with short sentences for the settings and emotions and focus set on dialogues. Have in mind also that a page will contain between 3 and 9 panels. Generally, a panel will contain 1 or 2 verbs, like running or saying, and so on. And don't hesitate to keep full pages or double full pages for key moments of your story, like characters reveal, key milestone, or epic scenes. And now, let's see how we can catch the attention of the reader. The key characteristic of a book is that the unknown awaits on the other side of the page. Basically, you should use the fact that the reader doesn't know what is on the other side of the page to create expectation and make a reveal. This can be, for instance, introducing a question or new character on the turn page and answering that question or indicating how that new character changes the plot on the next page. Now let's see this in practice by detailing the outline I built just before. On the first page, we will have Ethan, my hero, in the forest brandishing a wooden sword and saying, "You have no escape!" To create expectation, here we will not show the rabbit. This will make the reader wonder who Ethan is talking to. On the next page, we will see a rabbit facing Ethan, unimpressed. He will be turning around and running away. Ethan will shout, "Hey, wait!" and then he will run after the rabbit. So here, the answer to the previous question is that Ethan was talking to a rabbit. Then, on the third page, Ethan will be chasing the rabbit between the trees. Suddenly, the rabbit will disappear behind a tree. Ethan will stop, surprised, and look around and ask, "Where did it go?" Here, the question from Ethan will resonate in the reader's mind, who will also expect to get the answer on the next page. Ethan will spot the hole between tree roots. Here, the readers will therefore be wondering if the rabbit did effectively go into that hole. He will say, smiling with content, "Are you hiding there?" He will then crouch on the floor to look at the hole and exclaim, "Wow, it goes deep!" And finally, he will crawl down and enter the hole. Suddenly, the ground will collapse below him and he will exclaim, "What?" You might need time and experience to fully master this process. You will have to test it on a few pages to calibrate. You will have to write your script, draw your page, and then update your script and redraw your page until you get the expected result. Also, if you want to exercise, you can try to write the script for your favorite manga pages and see what it gives. That's it for this video. Do not hesitate to ask questions in the comments, and do not hesitate to like and subscribe or to visit my blog to support this channel. See you!